Everyone's thinking about what's happening in the news with the coronavirus. And an important lesson to learn about trading. Look, this is the Dow. We're looking at the 1 hour base. We had a signal, obviously, a few days ago to go short, and then we had the collapse over the weekend. That was all great. Now we've got this, which is all very mixed. Up a bit, down a bit, up a bit. We've got our various signals all in different directions. We don't have to trade it. We don't have to take signals when things are not clear, when at least 4 out of 5 of our signals are not pointing in the right direction. Yes, we do look at multiple indicators, multiple timeframes, pattern recognition as well, but we don't have to trade the Dow just because it's in the news. That's point number one. Second point as well, okay, if you're not going to do that, that's all very well, Alpesh. What should we look at? Well, you can see from my chart of the various instruments we're looking at the moment, look at Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, okay? Obviously, the Australians directly impacted by the virus because they neighbor China and they're reliant on Chinese trade. The Canadians, far less so impacted by anything. They've moved a lot lower. They're probably going to reduce interest rates. If you reduce interest rates, you earn less money on somebody's currency. If you earn less money on somebody's currency, you might sell it. Therefore, the Australian dollar, another reason to fall. Okay, so what I'm saying is just because something is being talked about a lot in the news doesn't mean that's the thing we trade. Almost certainly it's been overdone by the time they're talking about it so much, and we might want to look at something easier and simpler, which is why we scan a lot of instruments. So I just wanted to share that with you, that sort of trading insight with you